Today, we're diving into ChatGPT's all-new study mode. ChatGPT Study Mode jumps right in to help with homework questions. You can ask something like, "Help me with this finance problem." And ChatGPT doesn't just solve it, it walks you through it in a way that fits your level and your learning style. And it'll break it down, step by step, like a real tutor would. No skipping, no confusion, just crystal clear logic. Got a big exam coming up? Study Mode is perfect for test prep. It can quiz you, explain answers, and even teach you how to avoid common mistakes. Curious about something you didn't fully grasp in class? ChatGPT can go deeper on the topic, expanding the concept, linking it to real-world examples, and helping it stick.